And we arrived to Paphos! Popo, it's like landing. We arrived to castle here in Paphos. Paphos Castle was originally built as a Byzantine fort to protect the harbour. After being destroyed in the earthquake in 13th century, the castle rebuilt by the Lusignans, and in 1570 it was dismantled by the Venetians. What survives today is the 1592 Ottoman restoration after they conquered the island. Throughout the ages it has seen many uses. It has served as a fortress, a prison, and even a warehouse for salt during the British occupation of the island. And we went to the top of the castle, and you can see the Paphos harbour from here. It was declared a listed building in 1935 and represents one of the most distinctive landmarks of the city of Paphos. Currently the castle is being used as a touristic attraction and occasionally features thematic exhibitions. The time we visit the castle, it features many pieces of art from rubbish that found on the sea and the importance of protection of the marine environment.